Good boy. Please, second half, please. When you're happy and you know, wash your hands. When you're happy and you know, wash your hands. When you're happy and you know, and you want to be safe from corona, please wash your hands.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Miss McBlush. My name is Muskan and today we're going to see the making of hashtag Miss Momos. Now this video turned out to be very messy. It's not like one of those hi aaj hum momos banane wale hain. No, it wasn't like that at all. You have to understand that I live in a joint family, so there are 10 people in this house, so we made 40 momos and 5 people were making these momos. 5 very enthusiastic people, 2 mommies, 2 kids and 1 me made 40 momos for the 10 people that we are in this big house of ours. So yeah, the video turned out to be messy, but I also want to show you guys the real behind the scenes. Like, I don't want to show you some professional kind of a video. I actually want to show you the real mess that this big Chanchlani family is and the real mess it takes to make anything in this house. But you guys absolutely don't need to make it that messy. These momos are very easy to make and one person alone can make them aaram se. So we quickly want to get started, but I quickly want to ask you to tag me in your recreation of my momos so that I can repost your stories and I can repost your posts. I love it, guys. You guys are close to my heart. The only reason I'm making these momos again is because आप लोगों ने इतने लोगों ने recreate किया है कि I was craving them again. So let's get started. तो ये हमारा डो अब मेरी माँ ने गुनगुने पानी के साथ नीड कर दिया है और अब हम इसे 15 minutes रेस्ट करने रखेंगे यहाँ पर chill bro. Okay guys, so we are done grating the vegetables. This is almost 2 carrots, 1 full capsicum and approximately 250 grams of cabbage. We like cabbage a lot. And this is ginger, garlic and chili paste. I don't know kitna kya hai, but yeah, pretty much. And this is the hot pan ready and the oil is ready. इतना सारा oil. और also we live in a big joint family, इसीलिए इतने ज़्यादा बन रहे हैं. हाँ, अगर आप भी 10 लोगों के लिए बना रहे हो तो इतना ही बनाओ.
इतना चीजें चाहिए रहेगी.
इसको प्रिंट करना है, इनको फिर जल्दी लाल हो जाएगा. लिटिल बिट होता है वो. हाँ, तो कैरेट और कैबेज बाद में डालेंगे ना. ये 2 मिनट. क्या आप लोगों को अच्छी खुशबू आ रही है? Adi, you are supposed to say yes. This is a YouTube video. So 2 minutes को मानो ना.
Pani waste. Good boy. Please, second half, please. When you're happy and you know, wash your hands. When you're happy and you know, wash your hands. When you're happy and you know, and you want to be safe from corona, please wash your hands. क्या करूँ? ऐसे छोटी-छोटी पेड़े बना के. Okay, so the OG shape of the momo doesn't matter. The OG shape of the roti doesn't matter because we're using this steel ka glass. And our little helper Adi is doing that for us. So Bhabhi is going to belo it. He's going to shape it and I am going to wrap it. जब तक start नहीं हुआ because that is the first little wrapping. इधर दिखा ऐसे कागज के मोमोज
One eternity later.
Momos are done and today they look a little different. The other day they were more white and we like to eat them with this Thai chili sauce. Yum yum. And so that's it guys, that's it for this video. I love anything that's like spicy and chatpata, so I had to make my momos a little spicy. So we actually changed the filling to spring roll filling, and that's the little twist in my little Miss Meg momo recipe. But apart from that, it's literally all very easy. You can skip things here and there. We did not have spring onions today. We did have them the last time we made them. Today we did not, so we just skipped and it was absolutely fine. And I love these momos. I wish I could make them every day, but I can't do that. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below and tell me what video would you like to see next. And please subscribe to my channel. Please means a lot when you subscribe to my channel. And I will see you super soon in my next video. And please don't forget to tag me in your recreations of these momos and keep putting those little emojis that you do on momos. I just did that to make my posts look pretty, but you guys are also doing that and it's so cute. Please keep doing that. Please keep tagging me so that I can keep reposting them and I can see your little recreation of my momos. And that's it guys, I'll see you super soon in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, everything. Bye. I love you.